today we're checking out some new wireless earbuds, this time the Ear 2 by Nothing. I want to thank them for sending these over to review on the channel. Price on these are $149.99, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. They're advertising up to 36 hours with ANC off, 22.5 hours with ANC turned on, and that's going to be with the case, 4 hours with the earbuds only. The case is IP55 waterproof. The earbuds themselves are IP54. They've got Bluetooth 5.3, noise cancellation up to 40 decibels, and they're going to work on Android and iOS as well. Nice thing is these are going to work with Google Fast Pair and Microsoft Swift Pair as well. You've got dual connection, so it's easy to connect these to multiple devices. Also has in-ear detection, clear voice technology with 3 mics per bud. Inside the box, you've got safety warranty information, and of course, user guide. In case you're wondering, yes, these do work with a mobile app called the Nothing X app. Pretty nice presentation here. You also have extra ear tips, large and small. Interesting style for the USB-C charging cable. Really nice looking clear case here. You can tell they spent a lot of time on the design of these. Definitely one of the coolest looking cases I've seen for earbuds. And I like their signature font that they use across all of their products. There you can see where it says Nothing Ear right on the earbud. You'll also notice they put a red dot on the right earbud, white dot on the left. Really simple to get these in and out of the case as well. You've got your pairing button on the side of the case, right next to the USB-C charging port. You can also see the case has wireless charging. You'll see the indicator light flashing once it's charging. You can see it just pops right up here. You can see it's really simple to connect these through their mobile app. They're also going to show you how to use the controls. A single pinch is play and pause. You can also answer or hang up calls. Double pinch to skip forward or decline an incoming call. Triple pinch is going to be skip back. And then if you pinch and hold, you can switch between the transparency mode and the ANC mode. Also shows the battery life on each earbud and the case. You also have an equalizer to adjust how you want these to sound. You can also customize the controls a little bit as well, so that's nice to see. You can also turn on the noise cancellation or transparency mode as well. You can also turn on or off some of the features in here like in-ear detection, personalized ANC, low lag mode, high quality audio, personal sound profile, dual connection, ear tip fit test, find my earbuds. Also, it looks like there's a firmware update. Might as well go ahead and do that. Now you're listening to a mic test from the Nothing Ear 2 wireless earbuds. You'll want to use headphones for this section to hear details a little bit better. This should give you an idea of what the mic quality sounds like while using these earbuds. Again, this is a mic test for the Nothing Ear 2 wireless earbuds. One thing I first realized about these earbuds is just how good they sound when taking phone calls, which is usually hit or miss with Bluetooth earbuds, but these are nice and loud and sound crystal clear, almost as if you're not using earbuds at all. One thing that takes a little getting used to though is how the controls work. You have to squeeze the sides a little bit harder than I was expecting and be in just the right spot to get them to do what you want. Overall, I like this approach as far as how they work, but if you're used to touch controls where you're just tapping the side, these may take a little bit of getting used to. Sound quality on these earbuds are top notch in my opinion. Prefer to use the setting with more bass using their mobile app, and it definitely gives them a little more bass, which is nice, but not so much bass that it drowns out everything else. The noise canceling is pretty good with these as well. They don't block out 100% of all sound, but it really does make a difference once you turn on the ANC. These also might be some of the most comfortable earbuds I've ever tried. They just feel nice and lightweight. You barely even notice they're there. So my first impressions with these new earbuds by Nothing is, yeah, they're way better than I was expecting. They've got great build quality and design, pretty much perfect size for my ears. Overall sound is really good, and I can easily see these competing against some of the more popular brands out there. Once you get used to the squeeze controls, I think these can be a really good option for most people who want smaller stick style earbuds with really good sound. If you decide to get these, I think these are gonna be a lot better than you expect. I know they definitely surprised me at just how good they are. I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.